Hey guys, today for Foodie Friday, we are going to make air fryer barbecue chicken legs in our foodie, all while having a whole lot of fun. He's a teeny tiny little guy. Hey guys, welcome back to my camper kitchen. I am Cris from recipes@crock.com, and today we have a super simple recipe to make in our Ninja Foodi, or you can make it in any air fryer. We are going to be making barbecue chicken legs air fryer style. I apologize if you hear chomping in the background. That is my compromise with little Ollie, that he gets a treat while I do this, while Dad and Ad are doing karate and Obi's outside. It's been a whole ordeal.
Hey, keep it down, we're trying to do karate.
Been a whole ordeal, and honestly, this video, even as simple as it is, I've tried to make for the last 2 weeks, and just every time I try to tape, something happens. So today I decided I don't care that all the things are going on. We are doing this video because I want you to have this recipe. Then I opened up my chicken, guys, and I don't know if I can even show you. These are itty bitty bitty baby chicken legs. Oh. I've tested this recipe several times. We make it for just enjoyment's sake too. And every time I've had a normal sized chicken leg, but of course when I finally am here with you today, I have these itty bitty babies. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to cook this less time than what I'm going to tell you to cook it, because I've never received baby chicken legs like this before. I mean, these are like one step bigger than like what you get at a chicken wing restaurant, so I don't know. Anyhow, so do as I say, not as I do today. So what we're going to do is we're going to take about 6 chicken legs, or that's about how many will fit in my foodie. You guys can do how many can fit in yours. I do believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did get 6, so that's good. Oftentimes I'll buy a large pack of chicken and then I'll do it in batches. But what you're going to do is just salt it with Lawry's seasoning salt, or your favorite seasoning salt. I have heard readers tell me that they like to make it extra crispy in the air fryer. They like to add a little bit of, I believe it's baking powder. Do you do that? If you do, I'd love to hear how much you add in the comments below. I might try that sometime in the future, but today we're going to do it my tried and true way. So I just have coated them lightly with the seasoning salt, and now I'm going to place them. I have my coated bowl inside my foodie with my rack. I like when I air fry I do have a stainless steel bowl, but I like to use that for pressure cooking. When I air fry, I like to use my non-stick bowl because I find that air frying stuff is more likely to stick to the pot than when you pressure cook, just a side note. And then I've got my rack. Instead of, you can use your air fryer basket if you want to. I just prefer my rack, and I've got it set down in here. And what we're going to do is we are going to place our chicken legs, or my baby little, I don't even know, chicken legs. Oh my gosh, guys, this is hilarious. On your grill here, and I just alternate them in direction to give them space. This has plenty of space this time because they're so tiny, but usually I can fit about 6 on there. Spaced out, you want as much air to be able to go around them as possible. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this on 360 for 15 minutes. And we're going to wait to add our barbecue sauce until the second step. Now, since mine are baby little chicken legs, I'm going to have to watch mine closely, and I'm actually going to cook mine a lot less time than what I'm telling you, but every other time I've tested it, every other air fryer chicken I've ever done with chicken legs, it's 15 minutes, flip, and another 15 minutes. So we will see you back here in 3, 2, 1. And we are back. It's been halfway through our time. The timer just went off. So for you guys, it's been 15 minutes. For my itty bitty chicken legs, I did about 10 minutes. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to brush each of them with my favorite barbecue sauce. We are using Ray's no sugar added barbecue sauce. It's the sugar-free version of Sweet Baby Ray's, which I really love. And I'm just going to drizzle just a little bit on each one of these. Sorry, my air is kicking on and I'm not telling it not to because it is hot in here. Alright, so I just drizzled a little bit on each one and I'm going to brush it on before I flip them, and then I'll put another coat on the top. So we'll have barbecue yumminess all over these little dudes. Okay. Set that to the side. Flip them all. Okay, and so now we're just going to do the same thing again. Put these over there to be washed now that they're dirty. So I'm going to just put a little bit of sauce on each one and brush it in. Now, this will create like a dry rub almost kind of texture to the barbecue sauce. So if you want this to be like messy barbecue sauce, at the end, you're just going to brush more barbecue sauce on the final product. But for right now, we've got them fully brushed. You're going to want to wash off your brush and your tongs if you're using the same ones for the end, because you don't want that raw chicken on there. But we're going to go 360 for you guys, another 15 minutes. For me, I think these little guys will go in for another 10, and I'll see you back here in 3, 2, 1. And we are back. It is just at the end of my timer, I do believe. Oh, yep, it's cooling. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And mine are definitely done. As you will see, I'm not going to brush any extra on it so you can see what it looks like right now. I'm just going to put a little extra barbecue sauce here on the side. Sometimes I even squirt a little extra ranch dressing and make it a barbecue ranch dip. I might just do that, guys. Let me see here. Because it needs to cool off anyways before I bite into it. Well, maybe, there it is. Couldn't find my ranch. Let's put just a little bit of ranch there. Alright, so I'm going to come see you now. As you can see, he's a teeny tiny little guy. And again, I have my my camera not on the right step. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, so this is really hot. But look how nice, and see how it looks almost like a dry rub on the outside. So if you wanted this to look like ooey gooey barbecue for like serving, what I do sometimes is I lay them out on my serving plate, and then I just brush them with extra barbecue sauce. That's what I like to do. Or if you want it kind of like caramelized on there, you could, with a minute or two left, put some more barbecue sauce on and let it kind of do its thing. I like it this way. Mikey says he likes it this way because it makes it less messy. And then we just, like I said, we can dip into our favorite flavors. Okay, this is really hot on my finger, so I'm hoping it's not too hot when I bite into it. Perfectly tender, even with all my time adjustments for my itty bitty chicken legs. But like I said, if you're using normal chicken legs from a regular package, I'm still not sure what happened with my grocery pickup. 15 minutes on each side. That's how we do our fried chicken. That's how we do our Old Bay chicken. That's how I usually do this barbecue chicken. But if for some reason you get little guys, it looks like 10 minutes on each side worked for me too. So it's very, very good. It's also very, very hot. Woohoo! But I just burnt the inside of my mouth. Leftovers of this are very good. I even sometimes freeze leftovers if I've made a huge batch of chicken. And then I can just thaw it for us to eat for dinner, a quick dinner one night. But if you like this video, I really burnt the inside of my mouth. If you like this video, I'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a member of the Crock Posse, we'd love for you to click subscribe down below and become a member of our slow cooking, foodie loving family. If you'd like notified every time we upload a video, click the ding-a-ling. That's the notification bell down below that tells YouTube that you'd like to know every time we upload a video, but whatever you do. Excuse me. We hope you laugh often, eat good food, and speak life. Bye, guys. This is really hot.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the